Alright Lee, how's it going? My name is Nathan Bruce. In this little quick video, I'm going to show you a couple ways on how you can gain more customers. I'm going to dive right in, and I'm going to show you how I found you and what I searched in. I'm going to show you what your competitors are doing. So I actually found your website through looking for glazier companies. I also found out that you do painting, you do a whole bunch of other things, which is awesome. Now, if I looked up painting Menands, New York, I'm not sure how many people exactly look up painting Menands. I'm sure it's a little higher volume painting Albany, New York. These are your competitors. This is a map pack right here. This is what this is called on Google. This is where most of the companies fight for to be on there because that's who gets the most calls. And these are the organic listings. You'll get a bunch of ads, like bbb.org, and you'll get Yelp and MapQuest. For painting Menands, I don't see you guys on this front page. So that's something that we could work together to do to get you to that front page of Google and get you in the map pack so we can get you as many customers as possible. So this is your website. It's not bad. You guys got a lot going on here. I like to tell my clients we like to have 1,500 words on the home page, and then it gets a little less and less on the back pages, but that's fine. So I use Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. This is something that you can do for yourself. You could definitely go through here and look and figure out how you can better your company, better your website. This UR and DR rating, this is the URL rating. That's pretty much shows you how much trust Google has in your website, and the domain rating is how much power your website has in Google's eyes. So out of a 100-point scale, 37 and 28, you guys aren't doing bad, but obviously we could do so much better. And this is reflected by something called backlinks. Now backlinks are pretty much other websites pointing out to your websites. And another thing I'd like to talk about is keywords. I'm going to click on your keywords real quick to see what you guys got. You guys have a small amount of traffic coming in through using keywords and backlinks, and the volume pretty much tells you how many people monthly are searching for each keyword. Now you guys, you're in the first position for obviously a keyword using your name, and that's great. But what we would help you do is go for keywords kind of like this: painters, Albany, New York. We would try and rank you and get you to that #1 spot, so that when someone types in painters Albany or painting Albany, New York, or Menands, New York, like, you would show up on that front page right there. So this is a competitor of yours, Amazing Glass of Albany. Their website, they don't got a lot going on here. This is their Ahrefs, so Google doesn't trust them at all. They have a lot of backlinks here, but they're not quality. Not every backlink was created equal. So you guys have found some quality ones. They don't have too much traffic going on here. Their organic keywords aren't helping them out. They got a little bit of power. A little bit of trust. This is power. Domain rating is power. They don't have much power. The website does not have much power. So this is Classy Cleaners and Painting. This is in Albany, and their Ahrefs, they have a 16 and a 92. So this backlink must be doing a lot for them. They don't have too much traffic. Capital District bombs. I don't know what that is. But we could click on that, for instance, and we could say, hey website, can we use this for our website? And they would say yes. Hey, pay us a little bit. That's pretty much what I wanted to talk to you about today. We could definitely work something out. Definitely give me a call if you like what you're watching. I could talk to you a lot more about this. We could talk about your goals for the future, and definitely let me know. My name is Nathan Bruce. My phone number is 518-379-7661. Lee, I appreciate it. Have a good one.